Welcome to my channel Cryptomania. So if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe, and I'll be posting new videos about cryptocurrency. So if you remember, I have already posted a video about Zenith coin. So if you have missed that coin, let me explain what Zenith coin is exactly. So the Zenith coin is the hybrid smart chain for extensive use. Zenith chain is a digital peer-to-peer network that aims to implement a use case specific blockchain designed to efficiently handle one single function, the transfer of assets from one party to another. So the exciting news about Zenith chain is that first thing, the price has been increased by 50%, 51% over the past 24 hours. That is quite good news for everyone who is holding Zenith coin. Unfortunately, I bought it at around 30 cents, so it still has to increase some more percentage to increase my price. But good thing is that it has taken a momentum, and I hope it will increase. It will reach my purchase price, and I will make some good profit. But I'm not selling it currently. I think this project has potential to reach even higher, so I'll be holding it. So the exciting news is that with their development, Zenith coin is coming up with their Zenith wallet. So if you have been following their Twitter account, then you should probably know they have shared some design work. You can see here that they have shared the user interface and user design of Zenith wallet. So it looks actually intuitive, and I really like the design crypto wallet. So if they launch this crypto wallet in near future, then it would be a good medium and good progress that can attract many other investors and buyers to their token. So if you look at this, then it's a wallet, so we can swap Zenith and other coin in this mobile app, and it would really be amazing since it's a decentralized exchange. So that's the new update about Zenith Smart Chain. If there is anything I found and the update on their channel, then I would surely be posting it on my YouTube account. So please do subscribe